Hello today. This is my laminate press that I made. I started off with getting these veneers, which I thought were just cool. It's all kinds of great exotic hardwoods, but they're very thin veneers and I couldn't see much to do with them. I was going to sandwich them together, but they'd still be, pretty flimsy because of the grain. So, my wife had a great idea. I got a nice piece of good Gillows precision balsa wood, 1/16 thick. I took 2 pieces of that and I put them in a press that I made myself. This is 2 toggle clamps, a piece of plywood. I just screwed them through the bottom. Took 2 pieces of the laminate, a piece of the balsa wood, use regular wood glue, and I clamped them together, let them dry, and ended up with, a very good and sturdy piece of walnut plywood with balsa in the middle. I'm going to laser etch these into some earrings, but wanted to show off the press first. Have a great day. Thanks.